seconds. People join. Yeah, Sujit is already recording. Okay, see here, guys. See, on mute. Yeah. See, when working on the formulas, two things you have to be recognized. One is operators, and another one is functions. So we are humans, okay? It's very tough to remember each and every function, each and every operator, okay? But we can sense the functionalities. We can sense the process, right? Isn't it or not? Right? So now we have only two things are there: operators and functions. Operators means symbols like plus, minus, concatenation symbols like that. Okay, so they categorize into the mathematical operations, logical operations, text operations. Okay, functions means always comes under as a behaviors. Behaviors means, let's say today, if I use a today function, if I write like today, it gives the current date. If I give now, it gives the current time plus date. Okay, like that. We have some functions are there, like logical functions, mathematical functions, text functions, summary functions, some of the advanced functions. Clear? So if you scroll down, you can see these are the mathematicals: plus, subtraction, minus, something something. You have been seen all these things into the your childhood as well. These are the logical operations, like equal to, less than, not equal to, greater than, right? And or, all this stuff, right? So when you're working, by naturally you can understand you can sense all those things. Ready? So today your job is to find out what are the operators and what are the functions, and how can I use all these things. Okay. And when I'm writing a formula, I observe there is a simple formula and advanced formula. Okay. So when I'm using a simple formula, based on the return type what I have been chosen, based on the return type what I have been chosen, here I have a respective input fields, isn't it all? Right? And what are the operators here I can see? Concatenation only. Only concatenation. Here. Then there is other stuff. There is mathematical operators. I'm talking only about operators. As I said, there are three operators: mathematical, logical, and text. I'm seeing only concatenation means it's a kind of a text operator. Okay, going back again. Hmm. Exactly. If I choose a number, click on next. So before writing the formula, observations are very important. Oh, yes. So this is the operator. You see, all these are nothing but mathematical operator. That means the fields, whatever here showing, the operators, whatever here showing, is always depends upon the return type. Got it? Then what do you mean by advanced formula? So when you click on advanced formula, no matter what return type you have been chosen, okay, it will show all the fields. Not only object related fields, it will show all the setup object related fields. Okay, like APIs, organization, profile, system, user information, user role. All these are nothing but a setup objects. What is it? Setup objects. We can also say that global objects. Global objects will always be comes with a dollar. Okay. Not only Salesforce account object, it shows other objects also. Okay. Not only this one. What is this? What is this arrow? You can go to the another object. What is this contact? You can go to the another object. Clear? Are you getting the point? So you are going to the another objects boss. ఒక ఆబ్జెక్ట్ నుంచి ఇంకో ఆబ్జెక్ట్ వెళ్తాను. That's called advanced. Now close. In the advanced, you can also see the operators. Now you can see all the operators, no matter what return type you choose. Not only the operators, you can also see the functions. Have you seen functions in the simple formula? Simple formula will never suits for the functions. Here you can see different types of functions, date functions. All these are nothing but date functions. All these are nothing but mathematical functions. These are logical functions. Clear? So now, when you got a requirement to write a formula, now you tell me which one you will choose, simple formula or advanced formula. If you're unable to decide to go for simple formula or advanced formula, you go and use advanced formula. But you can easily decide here. Right now, I just given a requirement. What is my requirement? I have to concatenate account name as well as phone. These two values I have to be concatenate each other, right? Now you tell me which one I go, simple or advanced? I want to do concatenation, right? Go with a simple. First, let me check whether those fields are available or not. If fields are available, then you can choose. I have, what is this? Okay. Change the return type. Return type to a text. Now let me choose whether those fields are available or not. Account name is there. Operator concatenation is there. You can concatenate. Here you can see the example they given. Concatenate. What I would like to concatenate with the underscore. Again, you have to use a concatenate. Then which field you want to be concatenate here? Phone number. Phone number. So I can able to achieve this expression with the help of simple formula. So I can go for a simple formula. If you are unable to decide, then you can go for advanced formula. No problem. Even useless question. Okay, but in the most asked interview question, okay. So what could be the difference between simple formula and advanced formula? Simple formula is always relies on the return type what you have been chosen, and simple formula will never show the functions. It will only show the operators based on the return type what you have been chosen. Got it? Any doubts? Now here there is an option. Huh? Custom object is good. Same. Object is an object. That's it. This is a checkbox. See, this is a syntax. ఇలా గ్రీన్ కలర్ వచ్చింది అనుకో సక్సెస్ అని రెడ్ వచ్చింది అనుకో పోయింది ఓకే సో when you click on this, so whatever the expression you write in the editor, okay, you have to check the syntax. Next. So what it is asking? Field level security. So which profiles you want to be chosen? I like for a system administrator and as well as sales admin only for our project. Click on next. Then what is this? Asking for a page layout. So do I need to be access for a page layout? I don't want to access all the page layouts. Let's show only on this 2 page layouts enough. Save. First time you have created a formula. Where is that formula? This is the formula, right? What is the return type of this one? Text. Clear? It's a simple formula, whatever you created. Now I want to do unit test. When I refresh this one, result will be already calculated, it will show or not. See, how the formulas will work means, whenever you refresh the screen or whenever you open the record, automatically calculated and it will show onto the screen. Just go and open the old records. See, whenever you open, నువ్వు ఎప్పుడైతే రికార్డ్ ఓపెన్ చేస్తావో అప్పుడు క్యాలిక్యులేట్ అయిపోయి ఉంటుంది అర్థమైందా let me change this phone number to all nines. Save it. See here, just observe. See, it automatically changed. I need not to be bothered, right? I need not to be maintain this, because if there are no formulas, what happens is I have some millions of accounts. Every account I have to copy this name, I have to copy this phone number, and I have to make this kind of a format. No matter whether we are writing a simple formula or advanced formula, you have to understand the importance of formula, right? What is this log symbol? Yes, you cannot edit it. Then who populates the information? System. System populates the information. Clear? Any doubts? So when you're working on formulas, you should be aware of operators and functions. Okay. What is this? Cases. I want to know how many days this case has been created. When it is created here? 28th. 28th it is created of John. Now what is the date? How many days? February ఇది మార్చ్ ఇది మార్చ్కి వచ్చి అప్పుడే అంటే ఆల్మోస్ట్ 1 month completed. Still we are in ఏం చేసాం మనం అసలు? Okay. Okay, it's almost like 30 to 35 days. Okay, so I have to calculate. I need to open a calculator and I have to calculate the days. I don't want that kind of ethics, because let's say if I open after 1 year, I need to see a number like 365 days or 400 days or 700 days, whatever it may be. Okay, I want to know how many days this case has been created. Are you getting the point? You understood what I'm trying to say? Just now I created a case here. How many days it is created? 0. If I open the same case tomorrow, it has to be a 1. Next day, 2. So being a programmer or being a sales rep, I cannot memorize it. I cannot go and open that record every time and I cannot make it, right? Someone has to be do it automatically from the back end. Clear? So that in this case, so what you have to do? You have to rely on the formulas. See, నిన్న చెప్పిన దానికి ఈరోజు చెప్పిన చాలా డిఫరెన్స్. మొన్నటిదాకేమో యూజర్ ఎంట్రీ చేసేవాడు, ఈరోజు చెప్తుందేమో సిస్టమ్ ఎంట్రీ చేస్తుంది. నేను ఎప్పుడు సిస్టమ్ ఎంట్రీ చేసేదానికి వెళ్తున్నాను? ఆటోమేటిక్గా జరిగితే బాగుంటుంది అనే ఇంటెన్షన్ ఉన్నప్పుడు మాత్రమే వెళ్తున్నాను. అదొక్కడే గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు డిసైడ్ విచ్ వన్ ఈస్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. నౌ లెట్ us say, for example, here on the account we have a credit card number, right? That credit card number I given as a user input field. Why not system generated?
As it will be unique.
Are making sense or not? Because for every customer to the customer, that credit card number is different. Okay, and system doesn't know that one. So mandatorily we have to be enter it. So that's why I have been choose a text field. That too in the text field, that's a sensitive data. Sensitive data means I have to make it a mask. So that's why I have gone for an encrypted type. So see, this is the way how you make it as a decision. Now the thing is here, I want to open a case, right? To know how many days it is created. Okay. Now it is 10th day. Tomorrow it should be 11th day. I cannot go and open that case and I cannot make it as 11 or next day as a 12. Right? It's a useless work. So in this kind of a situation, there are some Salesforce will do automatic jobs. It provides a solution. So now let's go. That solution is nothing but a formula. Now you guys tell me, shall I go for a simple formula or advanced formula? How many of you say simple? Exactly. So now come here, click on view fields. So I'm going to create a case age in days. Shall I go for a number? Yes. Making as a 0. Click on next. See, it is not showing any value here for a case object. So that's why I'm going for an advanced. Ready? Now, it's a logic you have to write it. Logic always may be vary from person to the person. So don't bother about logics. Okay? So now click on this one. What is this? Case. So how you can deal? On case there will be a created date, right?
Created.
See, created by means it will comes as a username. ఎవరు క్రియేట్ చేశారో వాడి నేమ్ వస్తుంది క్రియేటెడ్ డేట్ అనుకో క్రియేటెడ్ డేట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ డేట్ టైమ్ ఓపెన్ right okay so and you need something like there are some date functions will be there. If you come here, created date, what is the data type of the created date? చెప్పు గట్టిగా చెప్పు date plus time. If you observe here, date plus time. What is the data type of this one? Date plus time. So this is a date plus time. So what is this? Now is also nothing but a date plus time. It returns. This is a function, right? Function. It returns a date time represents the current moment. Heroes this. Either record రేపు ఓపెన్ చేస్తాను అనుకో రేపు డేట్ ఇస్తుంది. So I want to use this one as well. Okay. So I'm going like this. Now minus created date. Will it work? Now what I use minus created date అంటే అప్పుడెప్పుడో క్రియేట్ అయింది. సో ఖచ్చితంగా వాల్యూ వస్తుంది మనకి. చెక్ సింటాక్స్. So you got a green color. It's saying that no syntactical errors. Very simple formula. This is a function and this is a field and this is a operator. That's it. Field level security applying to all the profiles, applying to all the layouts. First time we have created a formula field. This formula field is an advanced formula field because it uses the now as a function. Now let's go and refresh this screen. 40 days. 40 days in మనం క్రియేట్ చేసే ఆర్గ్ డే 1 రోజు క్రియేట్ చేశారు. Okay, it's a 40 days. I don't know. Got it? So how many days this case has been created? 40 days back. Now I want to create one more case. See how I am creating. Address bar నుంచి క్రియేట్ చేస్తాను. Save. See, case has been created successfully, right? What is the age of case? 0. You come and open this case tomorrow. What will be the age?
1.
Correct? Are you getting the point? So whenever you open a record, it will be calculated. Okay? Now, this is a case, right? This case is associated to this account, right? So when I open this account, let's say I'll close all the stuff, closing all the tabs. What is this? This is a case. And what is this? This is an account. When I open an account, I can see account number, right? My customer is facing difficulty, okay? Viewing every time, go here account and clicking on this into the new tab, okay? And checking this account number, he's facing some difficulty, okay? We want to provide some feasibility for him. Show this account number on the contact, on the case itself. Are you getting the point? అర్థం నేను చెప్పాను ఓకే తెలుగులో చెప్తాను కేసు ఉందా? కేసుకి అకౌంట్ అసోసియేట్ అయ్యి ఉందా? నా ఏజెంట్ ఏం చేస్తున్నాడంటే ఈ కేసుని డీల్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఆ అకౌంట్ నెంబర్ తెలుసుకోవాలనుకుంటున్నాడు. తెలుసుకోవాలనుకున్న ప్రతిసారి ఏం చేస్తాడు? కంట్రోల్ బటన్ నొక్కి అకౌంట్ మోగించేస్తాడు. అకౌంట్ లోడ్ అయ్యేంత వరకు చూస్తున్నాడు. చూసిన తర్వాత ఇక్కడ కేస్ నెంబర్ని జస్టిఫికేషన్ తీసుకొని నౌ హీఈస్ గోయింగ్ ఫర్ ఎ ప్రొసీడింగ్స్. ఇట్ ఈస్ టేకింగ్ టైమ్ ఫర్ హిమ్. సో హీ హ్యాస్ టు డీల్ మల్టిపుల్ కేసెస్ ఎట్ ఎ టైమ్ based on this account number. Okay, going every time opening this one, it's a useless of time. So what customer said is, I want this number, I want this account number onto the related case. Let us say for example, ఏంటో తెలుసా? ఇది అకౌంట్, ఇది ఎనీవన్ ఐడియా? కేస్. There is an account record called A1, there is an account record called A2. A2 కి అకౌంట్ నెంబర్ వచ్చేసి ఏముందంటే BXPB అని ఉంది. ఓకే, సమ్ 1 2 3 4. దీనికి అకౌంట్ నెంబర్ CDN something. Got it? These are the two account numbers, and there are multiple cases are there. C1, C2, C3, C4, C5. So these three cases are belongs to this account. So these two cases are belongs to this account. Now what I want when I'm dealing these three cases, I want this number, I want that account number onto the respective case. You understand the requirement first? అలా ఉంటే ఏమవుతుందంటే నా కస్టమర్కి కొంచెం ఫీజిబిలిటీ దొరుకుతుంది. ఏ అకౌంట్కి సర్వ్ చేస్తానని చెప్పి ఈజీగా అర్థమవుతుంది. సో ఇందాక దాకా ఏం చేసామంటే విత్ ఇన్ ద ఆబ్జెక్ట్ మీద రాసాం ఫార్ములాస్, సింగిల్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ మీద డీల్. అవునా? ఫస్ట్ కంకాటినేషన్ అకౌంట్ మీద చేసాం, తర్వాత కేస్ ఏది ఒక్కొక్క కేసు మీద చేసాం. రైట్ నౌ దెర్ ఇస్ అ కాంబినేషన్. How many objects involved in this situation? 2. What are they? Account and case. తప్పు రైట్ ఏదో చెప్పారండి, మనం కరెక్ట్ చేయడానికి బాగుంటుంది. ఓకే, సో హౌ మెనీ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఆర్ ఇన్వాల్వ్డ్? 2. వాట్ ఆర్ దే? అకౌంట్ అండ్ కాంటాక్ట్. నౌ యూ హ్యావ్ టు జస్టిఫై ఇట్. ఏ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ మీద నేను ఫార్ములా క్రియేట్ చేయాలి? అకౌంట్ అనేవాళ్ళు ఎంతమంది? ఇద్దరా? అకౌంట్ మీద ఫీల్ క్రియేట్ చేయాలి లేదా కాంటాక్ట్ మీద చేయాలా? కెన్ ఎనీవన్ టెల్ మీ? మై కస్టమర్ బై సీయింగ్ ద అకౌంట్ నెంబర్, ఆల్రెడీ అకౌంట్లో అకౌంట్ నెంబర్ ఉంది కదా, ఈ అకౌంట్ నెంబర్ కేసు తీసుకురావాలి. సో ఐ హ్యావ్ టు క్రియేట్ ఎ ఫార్ములా ఆన్ కేస్. బ్రింగ్ ద ఇన్పుట్ ఫీల్డ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద అకౌంట్. గాట్ ఇట్? గాట్ ఇట్? ఇందాక ఇన్పుట్ ఫీల్డ్స్ అన్ని సేమ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ మీద వస్తుంది, అకౌంట్ మీద వస్తుంది. సో కమ్ హియర్. సో ఫార్ములాస్ ఎప్పుడు 2 ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ 3 ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఇన్వాల్వ్ అయినప్పుడు ఏ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ మీద ఫార్ములా రాయాలి అంటే ఎలా డెసిషన్ మేకింగ్ తీసుకుంటాం అనేది నా క్వశ్చన్. అది నేను చెప్తుంది. అంతేకాని అకౌంట్ నెంబర్ తేవాలి అది కాదు నా పాయింట్. ఎందుకంటే సిచ్యువేషన్స్ విల్ బి వేరీ, చాలా ఉంటాయి సిచ్యువేషన్స్. నువ్వు ఒక సిచ్యువేషన్ అర్థం చేసుకో, ఓకే, కానీ దానిలో ఉన్న ప్రొసీజర్ని తీసుకోవాలి. రైట్, అది. సో ఇందాక సింగిల్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ వచ్చింది, ఇప్పుడు మల్టిపుల్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ వచ్చినాయి, 2 ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ వచ్చినాయి, నెక్స్ట్ 3 4 5 పెరగచ్చు. కానీ దేని మీద రాయాలనే డెసిషన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ పెంచాలి. అది చేయాలి అంటే మల్టిపుల్ టైమ్స్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు బి ప్రాక్టీస్ ఇట్. అది నేను చెప్తున్న ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ కాదు, నువ్వు చేస్తున్న ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ మీద ఇంపార్టెంట్ అయ్యి ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, సో నౌ యూ టెల్ మీ, going and create a new field. I will write formula on the child object, okay, and I look the information from the parent. Got it? That's one. Yeah. Formula field. Choose it. Click on next. Right. I'll make it as a customer number. Now which one? Text I'm choosing. Now you're going for a parent, right? నువ్వు ఫార్ములా ఎక్కడ క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నావు, ఇక్కడ క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నావు. ఇక్కడ నుంచి పేరెంట్కి వెళ్ళి వాల్యూ తెచ్చుకుంటావు. పేరెంట్కి వెళ్ళి వాల్యూ తెచ్చుకుంటాను అంటే సింపుల్ ఫార్ములా యాక్సెప్ట్ చేయదు. You have to go and use the advanced formula. See how I will go. Click on field. You are on the case and you are going for a parent as an account. In the account you are choosing as an account number. If you see here, the formula is account number. Account is nothing but a parent object. Account number is a field. Clear? Account number. So this is simple, but it's a meaningful. So we can call these formulas are nothing but a cross-objective formula fields. What's that? Cross-objective formula fields. I'll show you it. You can simply vary the understanding here. Hey, downwards better, better. Downwards better and slow it down. Online people, can you hear me clearly?
Yes.
Okay, no syntactical errors. Yeah, thank you. No syntactical errors, right? So we can call it as a cross-objective formula fields. What is that? Terminology is very important. Cross-objective. Because I'm writing formula on the child object and I'm gathering the parent information, looking on to the parent. I wrote one formula, I wrote one arrow, right? Understand this arrow. So today I just introduced the formulas, that's it. There's so many things are there to be covered.
Code. లిమిట్
ఉంటుంది, అది చాలా ఎక్కువ, అది లిమిట్.
ఇప్పుడు అకౌంట్కి ప్రొఫైల్ ద్వారా మనం యాక్సెస్ ఇవ్వలేదు, అయినా సరే చైల్డ్ క్రియేట్ చేసుకున్నాం.
అకౌంట్కి
అకౌంట్ యాక్సెస్ ఇవ్వాల, ప్రొఫైల్ అకౌంట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్కి యాక్సెస్ ఇవ్వాల.
కేసు కనపడుతుంది, కేసు రికార్డే కనపడుతుంది.
అంటే అకౌంట్ నెంబర్ తెచ్చుకుంటున్నాం కదా,
అసలు కేసే కనపడదు. ఎందుకంటే కేసెస్ ఆర్ కంట్రోల్డ్ బై ద అకౌంట్స్. మీకు అకౌంట్ లేనప్పుడు కేసు కనపడదు.
లుక్అప్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తాం.
అది ఆల్రెడీ లెట్స్ సే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇప్పుడు కేసు ఉందా, కేసుకి ఆల్రెడీ లుక్అప్ ఉంది అకౌంట్. ఓకే, ఈ అకౌంటే నీకు కనపడట్లేదు అన్నప్పుడు ఈ కేసు నీకు కనపడదు. అది ఎందుకంటే if you observe this, all accounts, okay, their related contacts or cases or opportunities will be controlled by the account. Okay, controlled by parent అంటారు. Controlled by parent. నీకు అకౌంట్ విజిబిలిటీ వచ్చింది అనుకో, ఖచ్చితంగా దాని రిలేటెడ్ కాంటాక్ట్స్ విజిబిలిటీ, లేదా ఆపర్చునిటీ విజిబిలిటీ, లేదా కేసెస్ విజిబిలిటీ వస్తుంది. మనకు the standard objects, the visibility level will be different. Good question that is. Security system చెప్తారు. ఓకే, వచ్చిందా? ఏది ఫీల్డ్? Saving that. See, this is a formula field. You can go see. This is also a formula field. This is also a formula field. If you observe here, what it is there? Have you seen something? You wrote object on the child and you're looking onto the parent. You wrote formula on the child and you're looking onto the parent. So we can technically call it as cross reference. What is that? Cross reference you formula fields. So now let's check the output, refresh the screen. So I can see the customer number here, right? So now let's go and change the customer number. I just changed the customer number to 99. Earlier it is what? 118. Now I change it to 198. Save it. You need not to be bothered to change that customer number on the contact. Sorry, on the case. By default, it will be changed. That is the power of your formulas. Reload it. See, because this is taking directly input from the account. So we can call it as cross-referencing formula fields. Earlier we created a function-related formula fields. First we created a normal formula fields. Simple, advanced, cross-referencing. It's all on that. Okay. So decision factor is very important on the formulas. Don't ever concentrate on the logics. Logic will be different from person to person. Okay. If you want logic, Google can show you the logic, no problem. But the process is always you have to be learned. Got it? So today I just introduced the formula fields for you. Okay. Again, I'll come up with some more business solutions tomorrow. Okay. Meanwhile, please go and open this one. Okay. Open this one, formulas and functions, and there is another URL like useful formulas in Salesforce. I think PDF. Go with this. So there is a PDF file. Okay, they have some more examples are there. Go and try it. At least go and look into it. Okay, so these are the most common examples where you will get in a real time. Okay, might be mentor lo adagachu answer cheyalem border. Okay, just go with this. I will give this your link for you. Okay, so meanwhile please try to find it. So today I just introduced the formulas. So tomorrow there are so many things are there. Profile based formulas rayali, record type based formulas rayali. Okay, oka formula oka user okala pani cheyali. అదైతే నీకు 10% డిస్కౌంట్ రావాలి, దీనికి 20% డిస్కౌంట్ రావాలి, కానీ సేమ్ ఫార్ములా ఎలా? We'll see. Okay, so that's it for today. We'll see in the tomorrow session. If you have any doubts or any concerns, post me in the WhatsApp.